Welcome to the first lesson. Today we'll be learning some techniques to improve your speaking. The first is the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a speaking technique where you copy or imitate exactly what a native speaker says right after you hear it. That's why it's called shadowing. It trains your ears to listen to the sounds and make the same sounds with your mouth. In this technique, you don't need to understand all the vocabulary. You just need to focus on imitating the sounds with your ears and mouth. This technique will help you advance significantly in your speaking skill. By practicing this technique, you will be able to reduce your accent and improve your pronunciation much faster. There are 3 basic steps in this technique. Step 1. Listen and read the text at the same time. When I speak, the words will appear at the bottom of the screen. Pay attention to the stresses. Step 2. Imitate. You will hear me speak again, but with a pause after each sentence. You listen to my pronunciation, the stress, the intonation, then you'll need to imitate it exactly. Step 3. Shadow. This time, there won't be text on the screen. You'll need to listen to me and repeat at the same time. If you practice this technique regularly, you'll be able to sound like a native speaker very soon. Now, let's practice. Step 1. Read and listen to the text at the same time and pay attention to the stresses. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and is also the smallest of the 8 planets in our solar system. For every 2 orbits of the Sun, which takes around 88 Earth days, Mercury completes 3 rotations of its axis. It is gravitationally locked, and this rotation is unique to the solar system. Every 7 years or so, Mercury can be seen from Earth passing across the face of the Sun. This happens because Mercury's orbit is inclined by 7 degrees to the plane of Earth's orbit and is known as a transit. The next transit of Mercury is on May 9, 2016 and will be visible from Europe afternoon. It is named for the Roman god Mercury, the messenger to the gods, most likely related to the orbiting speed of the planet. What remains intriguing about Mercury is how scant our knowledge has been regarding some of its keen details until recently. Now for step 2. You will hear me speak again, but with a pause after each sentence. You will listen to my pronunciation, the stress, the intonation, then you'll need to imitate it exactly.